Bella Belen just made her debut sa PVL. Joke lang. Hindi pa pala. As their games were voided and will be rescheduled to a later date. You know what time it is? Hands in. This, I think, is the first time na nangyari to ever. Or kung nangyari naman na to before, sobrang bihira. Naglaban ng Zeus Coffee and Akari. Naglaban din ng Capital One tsaka ang Choco Mucho. But those games were cancelled kahit tapos na siya. And that's because, according to the PVL, hindi pa daw nila kasama yung kanilang mga imports. The reason for this is because bago pa sila magkaroon ng laban sa PVL Reinforced Conference, hindi pa na-approve yung International Transfer Certificates or yung ITC ng kanilang mga imports. Pag Reinforced Conference, may ibang lahi na kasama, hindi lang pure Filipino blood to. Kaya nung naunang dalawang laro ng 4 na teams, hindi kasama yung kanilang mga imports. And I think today, na-approve na yung ITC at parang na-realize nila na hindi tama na nagsimula sila ng Reinforced Conference na wala yung mga reinforcements. So yung mga nangyaring laro kahapon will be cancelled and will be scheduled to a different date. What do you guys think about this? Kasi natapos na yung laban eh. Parang nagpapawis, nagpa-tune up game lang tuloy yung PVL nung kahapon. But yeah, interesting take.